Update the 10th of September 18. I've updated my rating from 3 stars to 5 stars because, in short, Bestrex got in touch with me to find out why this product did not work for me. They noted my concerns and offered me a product that was a better fit. All the while, the customer service was great and I never had to wonder. They resolved the issue in a timely manner. See my review below. Keep in mind that the new product and customer service is what got the new review. The product I ended up with is https://www.amazon.com. Review, create review, ref equals cm, cr, dp, wr, but _ top, ie equals utf8 and channel equals glance detail and a scene equals bo78 lhfm61 hash. The one below that is the original. I didn't originally order this product, I ordered another product. I ordered this one, https://www.amazon.com. Bestrex Magnetic Elegant Samsung Smartphones, DP, bo78 lhfm61, ref equals SR, 1, 4, IE equals UTF8 and QID equals 1,539,105,640 and SR equals 824 and keywords equals Bestrex and DPID equals 41 Li Oi ME6OL and pressed equals SY300, QL70, and DPSRC equals SRCH. Although a nice product, I was not happy with it because it did not fit in my new car. Needless to say, my review was not a very good one. I've reviewed products both professionally and a consumer for nearly 2 decades now, and I can probably count a handful of times that a company has actually reached out to me when I've stressed dissatisfaction with a product. That is exactly what they did. They were concerned about my thoughts on their product and they could please me as a client and make their product better. There was no reason to send another of the same product as the same product would have the same issue. It just did not fit my car's air vent. They offered to send me another product. I found one I liked, which is this one, and it was slightly higher than the one I initially ordered, so I offered to pay the difference. They sent me the new product at no charge to me, and I am happy to say that I am more pleased with this product. I have tons of products like these car phone holders that are collecting dust in a box in my garage that haven't held up to the hype. This does. The magnet is strong that it holds my Canon Mark II camera. My family and I are YouTube content creators and family vloggers, so we film everywhere. The camera is a more compact camera, so I wouldn't suggest putting anything larger on this magnet. Another thing I like is that in the past I've had to adhere a magnet to my dashboard, leaving a sticky mess or a magnet that just wouldn't come off. This holder goes on via suction and you adhere the magnet to the holder, then to your phone or your phone's case. Which brings me to another reason I like this holder. The suction cup on this actually works. Many times I would be driving down the street, make a sharp turn only to have the holder roll across the dash and onto the floor. I've had this for a few weeks on my dash and it has not come off once. Next to the nice price and customer service, this is a great phone holder. You can go hands-free while driving. I will say this, if you look at my history of product reviews, you will see I seldom give a product a 5-star review. I pay for products I review and then there are products I review for free. I paid for this product, and if you look at my past reviews you will see I have no problem saying whether or not I like a product, and I love this one. The old one, the one this one replaced, I didn't like so much. I made that known to the company and they took down my concerns as to why the product did not work and why it might not work for other consumers. I don't know if they took that advice, but this one makes me happy. I have posted photos here so you can see how this product works. I will post photos of the other product as well and post a copy of this review on the other product. And I'd like to thank Bestrex for giving customer service hope again, because God knows we need it. blank underscore blank underscore blank underscore blank underscore old review. Bought this for my new car. Unfortunately, it does not fit the vents, but fits in my. He has a heavy Motorola. It works at times, however, if you make a sudden turn or stop it doesn't hold that well in the vent. The clip fits very snugly and does not move around. It even looks nice when the phone is not on it, so it doesn't mess up the appearance of my car. Finally, the magnets hold very well and I didn't worry that my phone would fall. I'm really pleased. I think that this product was a good purchase. I am so very happy that I can use my smartphone without hands and with the safety that don't will crash with the movement. Greetings from Lima, Peru. First of all, I did not receive the product. I received an empty package which is damaged at the corner. I believed it was stolen while delivering. I contacted the seller, and they sent a new one for replacement. That is why I wrote this update review. The product is better than the one I used to use. This one is really easy to use. You just clip it on the air vent, you do not have to install it. Also, I have used this product for 2 weeks. My iPhone 8 Plus never fall, move, or change direction. The only thing is it cannot change the angle. I am not too tall, so I have to sit back and straight to read my phone. Overall, seller is nice, product is nice, and customer service is great. Classy and strong holder. Works great. Click link in description for more reviews.